The foundation has finally been filled. We are now waiting for rain for the engineer to begin the casting of the floor. I think this will be done as soon as the rain starts to fall. The focus area is the garage for the cars, two porch garages. One is at the other extreme, the other one is here. This is the stairways here. According to the engineer, a door will be constructed right here where I am. Then somewhere here is where the water towers will be built, and they will be attached to the building to supply a place of water. Okay.